Today we shall discuss about topic the critical thinking. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in about solving the issues and you are working somewhere in any organization. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, critical thinking. Critical thinking means to identify the problem and basically identify the reason and then analyzing it and identify the solution of it. For example for example you are facing an issue that whenever you deploy a release on a production, there are issues. So basically you have to analyze the issue or problem with critical thinking. Critical thinking means analyzing the problem and then finding the solution. Okay, so that is called as critical thinking, and based on the analysis we can get the answers, we can make the judgments. Critical thinking is basically a term used in Greek word. Okay, so this means able to judge or discern. So that is called as the concept of critical thinking. Now the critical thinking skills which we can use, first one is understanding the links between ideas. So that means, for example, you are facing some issue, problem, or you have some idea requirement. So you will sit in a conference room, for example, you will sit somewhere and discuss the ideas and try to link these ideas with each other. Then determine the importance and relevance of the arguments, whatever you are receiving the ideas or arguments from different people, and based on the ideas and arguments you will build and some narrative or some idea or a concept based on the different ideas, different discussions. Then identify the inconsistencies and errors of the among the reasoning, and approach a problem in a consistent and a systematic way. Reflect on the justification of their own assumptions, beliefs, and values. So, based on that, you can get some solution about the problem, issue, or requirement. Then, friend, here the question here, that why critical thinking is important. Friend, critical thinking is important for making judgments about sources of information and forming your own arguments. Like, for example, you are facing a problem, you are facing a problem that your child is not getting a proper grades in the exams. For what you can do, you can sit with your child, discuss the ideas, discuss the problem which he is facing, why he is not getting the proper grades. Either teacher is not good, either he is not properly giving the time to the studies. So basically I'm just giving an example, a very simple example, that what is basically the concept of critical thinking. So basically the importance of critical thinking is that basically you analyze, you identify the problem, you analyze it, and then you make some judgment based on the credible sources, based on the credible reasoning actually. Then the other thing is that the skills required for critical thinking is that first one is the observation mean that whatever the issue, problem, or requirement you have, you will sit in the room and discuss the ideas and problems with each other, and whatever the observations you have, you will document it. Okay, then next one is the, based on the observation you will analyze the observations, and the data will be analyzed properly. Then inference means that whatever the analysis you have, based on the analysis you will do, you will get the answers of your questions based on the analysis. And then the another skill is the communication means that communication verbally or written, like you talk with the customer, you talk with different vendors, you will talk with different stakeholders to get the information through telephone calls, through emails, through video calls, through conference calls. So based on the communication you will get the information, and whatever the data you will receive and whatever the data you analyze, based on that you will get some problem solving, you will get some solution now is basically based on the concrete reasoning, based on the proper solution, based on the proper reasoning, you will get some solution. So basically that is called that these are the skills required for critical thinking: observations, analysis, inference, communication, and problem solving. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.